Liquid Brun might be the most hyped fragrance on the internet right now. But here is the thing no one tells you. I discovered something that almost no one is telling you. If you are thinking about buying this fragrance, you need to watch this before you put a single spray on your skin. Everyone is saying the same things. Beast mode performance. Perfect clone of perfumes de Marley Althor, just buy it, you won't regret it. But here's the problem. Most reviews treat fragrances like they're universal. Like if it is good on one person, it is automatically good on everyone. In this video, I'm diving deep, not just saying it smells nice. I tested Liquid Brun in real situations, on different days, different spray amounts, and I paid attention to something most people ignore. First, how it changes on the skin over time. Second, how people around me reacted. And here is the twist. It is a great fragrance, but if you can only afford one bottle, this might not be the smartest choice. In this video, I am giving you a psychology-driven review of Liquid Brun, why people are obsessed with it, while my brother and friends just weren't that impressed. Let's see if the hype is playing tricks on our noses. Stay till the end, because if you're a one bottle at a time person, my final verdict is especially for you. Welcome back to the channel, Fragrance Lovers. Today we are talking about Liquid Brun, the so-called winter beast, the hype monster, the everyone needs this fragrance. We'll cover, first, what it actually smells like. Second, where it truly shines. Third, the psychological trap of hype, and whether it makes sense if you can only buy one fragrance right now. Let's start with a quick story that completely changed how I see this scent. Before jumping into the review, if you are new to the channel, welcome to Scent Analysis, where every scent gets analyzed, tested, and compared here. If you love perfumes and want more than just it smells good, you're in the right place. Please subscribe to our channel, Scent Analysis. Alright, let's dive right in and unbox this thing super quickly. When the bottle finally arrived, I'll admit I was curious. The packaging looked sleek and premium, dark box, clean lines, that expensive perfume feeling you get the moment you pick it up. The box features a deep chocolate brown bronze color palette, perfectly matching the warm, creamy DNA of the fragrance inside. Even just holding it in my hand, the weight, the cap, and the overall presentation gave me the impression that this was meant to feel more luxurious than the price suggests. So when I first sprayed Liquid Brun, I already knew the hype. I had seen the reviews, the must-have for winter claims, the 10/10 compliment monster stuff. I sprayed it and my brain instantly went, yeah, this is good, this is special, this is what everyone's talking about. Now here's where it gets interesting. I gave it to my brother to smell and he had zero context. No hype, no reviews, no expectations. He did not even know what it was, his reaction. He didn't hate it. He didn't love it. He just went, yeah, it's nice. It's okay. And that moment hit me. Is Liquid Brun actually that amazing? Or is my brain just influenced by all the hype I've seen online? That's the angle I'm taking for this review. Liquid Brun, just as it is not the way the internet tries to paint it, you know. Let's talk scent profile first. On my skin, Liquid Brun opens with this warm, slightly sweet, resinous vibe. Think cozy, ambery, a bit smoky, slightly gourmand without turning into a full dessert. It has warm sweetness that feels inviting, a darker brown feel very autumn or winter appropriate, a smoothness that makes it feel more expensive than a typical designer scent. The dry down is where it really shines. It becomes softer, creamier, more cuddly, less loud, more intimate, almost like a warm blanket in scent form. Let's give it credit where it deserves it. Great for cold weather in fall and winter. This just makes sense. It's cozy, warm, and has that brown sweater, hot drink vibe. Very likable for most people. I don't see many people hating this. It's pretty safe, just dressed up in a more niche style. Feels more premium than its price. It has that niche fragrance character without being insanely expensive. If you already have a collection, this easily fits in as a solid winter addition. Compliment potential if worn in the right setting, dates, dinners, cozy nights out. I can see this pulling compliments because it's warm, inviting, and not harsh. So yes, if you already own multiple fragrances, Liquid Brun can absolutely be your winter must-have, or at least a very good winter option. But now let's talk about the part nobody likes to say out loud. Here's the problem. When a fragrance gets hyped like crazy, Your brain stops judging it honestly. You don't just smell the perfume, you smell. The thumbnails that said insane fragrance, the titles that said everyone needs this, the comments saying top one of my collection. So when you finally get the bottle, your brain is chasing that wow factor. And if the fragrance is just very good, not mind blowing, you still kind of convince yourself that it is incredible. Because you spent money on it, everyone else says it's amazing. You don't want to feel like you fell for the hype. That's what happened to me. Meanwhile, my brother, who didn't know anything about it, just smelled the juice. No storyline, no hype, no expectation, and his brain went, nice, nothing crazy. Liquid Brun, in my opinion, isn't exactly a wow. I've never smelled anything like this. Kind of fragrance. It's nice, but it doesn't blow my mind, you know. It's a very good, very solid, very likable winter scent, but hype can easily make you expect more than it actually delivers. Now, this part is crucial if you can only afford one fragrance at a time, if you're someone who buys one bottle, uses it for everything office, dates, gym, family events, daily life. Liquid Brun might not be the smartest choice. Why? It's too seasonal. This shines in cold weather. In heat or very warm climates, it can feel too heavy, cloying, or just too much. It's not super versatile. This isn't the easiest every situation scent. Not ideal for office days, casual daytime in summer, minimalist, fresh, and clean lovers. It's more of a mood fragrance. You need to want that cozy, darker, sweeter vibe. Some days you'll just not be in the mood for this. So if your plan is one bottle to rule them all, work, date, party, everyday, Liquid Brun is more of a supporting actor than a main character. So here's my verdict. If you already own a couple of fragrances, want a cozy, warm, winter-leaning scent, and enjoy sweeter, ambery, slightly smoky profiles, Liquid Brun is a great buy. You'll probably enjoy it a lot, and it deserves most of the love it gets. If your goal is a buy blind alternative to Perfumes de Marly Alther, this is the one. Warm, creamy, sweet, luxurious without the niche price tag. If you love Alther, Liquid Brun is the safe pick, no hesitation. But if you can only afford one bottle right now, need something all year, all occasion, all rounder, prefer fresh, clean, or super versatile scents, then don't let the hype push you into this. It is not a bad fragrance at all. It is actually very good. It is just not designed to be your one and only scent. Remember, you're not buying the hype, you're buying what's going to live on your skin every day. Now, let me give you my personal rating for Liquid Brun. Presentation and boxing, 9 out of 10. Opening, 8.5 out of 10. Dry down, 9.5 out of 10. Projection, 8 out of 10. Longevity, 8.5 out of 10. Versatility, 7 out of 10. Overall, this is a very solid, cozy winter fragrance with an excellent dry down and great presentation, but it loses points on versatility if you're looking for a true all-rounder. If you want, I can make a follow-up video on the best one bottle only fragrances that actually work all year round. Let me know in the comments. And if you've tried Liquid Brun, tell me, did you smell it before or after the hype, and did it live up to your expectations? Like, subscribe if this helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.